Up and Adam, it's a new day and a new task in the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge. And it's time to get dressed to shoes. This one is a total game changer. Time for skincare. I use vitamin C. Moisturizer. And sunscreen. Can't forget the neck and hands. Makeup time. One trick that I like to do with the makeup to make less of a mess, I dump it all out. This is all that I use. And once I'm done using it, I put it back into the bag. That way it's an instant cleanup. Ta-da! Don't forget to clean up. And finally, the shoes. If you don't have indoor shoes like I do, just take any shoes you're not currently wearing, wipe down the soles, and there you go. Instant health shoes for free. Today is one of my favorite days of the Flylady system because we get to dress to shoes. We cannot spend our whole days in our pajamas. No, no, no. Once you dress to shoes, you're going to feel much, much more productive. I also did some light makeup, and since my baby's over 1 year old now, I go ahead and spray a bit of perfume. Be sure that you're dressing down to shoes. It does make a huge difference. We don't wear shoes in our home, but I did get some indoor house shoes. They have a thick sole and they work really super good. Now that you're dressed for today, you can tackle the day and you will be so much more productive. And don't forget to download that calendar so you can keep track of the days as they come. Today is Friday, September 2nd. So remember, we do take the weekends off. So in Saturday and Sunday, all we're going to do is dress to shoes and shine our sink. We'll meet again on Monday. And on Tuesday, September 6th, I plan to go live so that I may answer all of your questions. I look forward to meeting with all of you here to answer any questions that you may have. And just for some fun encouragement, don't forget to comment done when you finish today's task for your chance to win the Amazon gift card. This is going to be so much fun. I'm already having a blast. Don't forget to follow the 5 simple rules and let me know in the comments down below. What fun thing were you listening today while getting dressed to shoes? Can't wait to hear all about it. And God willing, I'll see you all on Monday. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.